So we had built this house new, and the garden was just stones, and we have 2 young children, one who has special needs, and we really needed the garden to be accessible.
So about a month before we were due to move in, we started to think about the garden space outside. We went to Atchison and Glover and spoke, just to start to get a few ideas of products. So we met Thomas on site here. He came out to visit us and just talk through some of the plans and ideas that we had. From there he went away and created 3D views and images of our garden space and what it would potentially look like. And for us that was really helpful in terms of really getting a visualization of what our space would look like and what we would have. The plans started to change a wee bit as our site was beginning to be finalised. So instead of having a one flat space out the back, we ended up with a split level. So that presented a new challenge to us in terms of how we were going to incorporate that split level. And again, in consultation with all the staff at Atchison and Glover, we came up with the idea of the dry wall and the simplicity and how that's put together and the ease at which that can be built was a real bonus.
So we're really happy with what we have ended up with. We have a lovely large flat space that the children can use to play, that we can use to eat outside. We have ramps that go down onto our grass so that our daughters can play freely, and we think it looks really great.